Have you not started any proper preparation yet? Even now, it is possible to crack your NEET. Just 4 months to go. You want to know how? Watch on. Hello, I am Dr. Jyotirmai, co-founder and managing director at Manashala International, a digital learning platform. Let me address two aspects in here. First is the preparation strategy. Second is the examination strategy. This is how everybody puts in. But I'd like to reorder it. First is your examination strategy and second is your preparation strategy. Keep all the strategies aside. You heard it right. You build a strategy, you are going to build stress. You are here just to choose the solutions which are already present in front of you in the paper. Just choose your solutions for that particular question and you got to write it. That's it. It is so simple. This must be your examination strategy. Your preparation strategy is just learning the concepts. That's it. How do you start? Now, even this might sound weird to you, but just hold on. First, you collect all the question papers. I'm sure many of you people have already done that. Never do you underestimate or understate older question papers. You do collect them also. Start solving question papers every day. You might think, see, I don't know this subject. See, I don't know this chapter. Keep those thoughts aside. You just start taking the question paper and start solving it. To your surprise, I'm sure you will be able to solve 80% of the question papers. Since there's a negative marking, you have to put up the most probable answer. Many a times, I've gone through many question papers. Many a times, they might not be an accurate option as an answer. You must choose the most probable answer. For that, you need to keep your mind present. You have to keep it simple. Some questions you won't be able to answer because you don't know that concept. Just go back to the subject, whichever it is, to that particular chapter, that concept. Just read only that concept. Come back, again start solving. Don't keep on reading the following things after that concept. You are bound to lose time over there. Beware of it. Again, you are stuck in any concept. Go back, read the concept, come back, start solving. You might think this is the most common thought that I don't know the whole subject. I don't know this particular chapter. These are very common thoughts. But just keep them aside. You start doing this way. You will surely find it great. But the only thing I'd like to say in here is put your heart and soul into it and it's going to work out. If you feel very fancy about it, I'd like to call the strategy as a retrospective strategy. But it's basically a patch-up thing. Patch-up is very important. What if I don't pass this exam? These are all the common thoughts. I do admit, but just let me tell you, stop thinking about the outcomes. Stop thinking about any outcomes. It is the only thing you ought to do right now. Keep it simple. Be present. All the very best, kiddos. You can happily crack any examination. All the best.